Oh, thank you. I met so many nice people here in Cannes, and I'm not on the red carpet, I'm on the purple carpet. Do you like my hat? Well, the wee looky man wanted to charge me 20 euros for this hat, but I just gave him 5 euros. What a shame, but 5 euros is enough. So I'm on the purple carpet at the moment. It's very difficult to get on the red carpet, but one will keep trying. I'm here for another week. Film director Alberto Corredor is telling me that, you know, you just have to keep knocking at the doors until you get what you like. But even he has found it very difficult. Even though he's a film director, then he's finding it very, very difficult. So as much as he can get past, he can't get on the red carpet. It is a very, very difficult task. So let me keep walking along, and the sun is still shining. It's 7 o'clock at night, and I've still never been to the beach yet. The marina's just down there. I might take a little trip along by the marina, and I must eat. I'm going to have to go over the road and have a nice dinner, and then my train is 9 o'clock tonight, so I've got a few hours that I can possibly try and catch anyone that's willing to talk. But what an amazing place. If you continue to watch, then I'm going to go and do Nice tomorrow, and I think I need to get away from Cannes for a bit because all that extravaganza is a bit too much, so I'm going to go to Nice. There's so many nice restaurants there, and it's probably a nicer place than Cannes, to be fair. There's more to do in Nice. There's so much that I could vlog about here. I've got a ferry over, and you can be in the various islands here. It's only an hour from Nice to Italy as well, which we will be trying to do as well. We're going over to Italy, and that's only 1 hour. So I'll just try and see if I can meet people as we go in the street. If anyone wants to talk. There's a few people that watch, see what you're doing, they think you're very, very famous, so they actually come up to you. They really want to chat. I'll put my hat on because it's really hot. It's hot. This was a good buy. It's better than having to wear the sunglasses. I'm going to walk along to where the marina is now, and that's where I caught the silent angel actor who was so beautiful. What a lovely man he was. And that's the whole point, is just to meet people who are creative people and inspiring people as well. But it's hard work being a director, an actor, and I want to be. My arm was getting tired, I have to move it to the other arm. It's 7 o'clock now, and it is so hot. Well, let's see if we can see some nice glamour as we go. Hello! What are you doing here?
Yes, we can tell you, we can tell you.
You start first.
Give me your story, give me your chat.
I'm a first assistant for a movie here. For a movie.
What movie?
Tell the name.
The name?
In English. We will see the Italian English, okay? Is
Yeah,
okay?
yeah.
Good.
It is in Italian.
Sì, diciamolo in italiano. Briciole, briciole.
Ah, briciole d'argilla. Briciole d'argilla.
Yeah.
Okay.
In Italian.
And in English?
Translate.
Maybe English?
Translation is a story of two guys. Okay, she fight two guys. This suits very good to me,
Yeah,
isn't
it does. You could have that. So you look very cool.
Thank you very much.
Cool.
Yeah, we are here. I'm a cinematographer. She's the first AD, and we are here because we have soon our two work projected in the next days. Now we are just experiencing and watching other movies for other people.
Yeah.
And what are you doing here? You're a vlogger.
I'm a vlogger.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah, I'm a vlogger.
A vlogger?
Yeah, so doing vlogging and just doing a bit of chat, enjoying myself, having some fun.
Where are you from?
Scotland.
Scotland. Nice.
Yeah. I need to get a ticket to go on the red carpet to do this.
I think you will do that, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's just it's easy. You stay there with the red carpet invitation,
just do this.
then you go.
Yeah. Wear traditional tartan.
Yeah.
I have a tartan dress.
You have beautiful.
Scotland.
Like noble family, isn't it?
Yeah.
Noble
Have you been to Scotland before?
No, but I have several tartan clothes. It's very good.
I do?
Yeah.
Cool. Oh, you can keep my hat for chatting.
Oh, thank you.
If you want to keep it. If you don't, then I'll take it back.
No, don't worry. We'll make a good story.
Yeah, that's cool. So, YouTube channel or?
Yeah, actually no. We don't have. We don't have a YouTube channel.
No.
We just use Instagram.
Oh, do you? What's your Instagram name?
Leonardo Kurz.
Leonardo Kurz. Well, I'm totally Evelyn. You know what? That's where Totally Evelyn.
Totally Evelyn. Please help us the writing because it's difficult.
Yeah, it's difficult. Yeah, it is. Looks like I'm not the only one that's looking for a ticket. Are you looking for a ticket as well?
No, thank you.
No tickets. You want a ticket?
No,
you have a ticket?
I don't want to see on your camera.
Ah, you just want a ticket? I give you a ticket if you go on the camera. You need to go on the camera if you want to.
No, thank you.
This is a queue to get in to the red carpet. And you just need to have a pass. Everyone's got one, but me, I need a pass.
Hi, I don't have the right, sorry.
Please.
It's not possible. Hi.
The security's high.
Yes, I am the security, and I don't have the right. Sorry.
That's a shame. But what does this thing do here?
This is for register.
You don't have a stamp.
No.
I've got a nice dress on.
Please stop. I don't have the right. They're gonna kill me.
Oh, they'll kill you. What a shame. I'll kill you if you don't give me a pass.
I don't have the right. Sorry.
Okay, I accept. D'accord.
He's from France.
Yes, from France. Oh, bisous.
Bisous. Bisous de la France. À bientôt. Nice to meet you.
Mesdames, bon appétit en tout cas.
Time to walk in. Okay, great opportunity. Little security out. Let us in. Here we go, back to the red carpet, trying to get an invitation. Let's have a check. Shouldn't be that difficult. It sucks. Can't get a pass at all. You know what, I think I'm going to give up for tonight. I'm going to go over, get myself a nice meal for one. I'm going to go and get my train home back to Nice and forget about a ticket on the red carpet. And in the meanwhile, I will just chat to anyone I want to chat to.
Yeah, really appreciate it, man.
And maybe next year I'll get a pass. It's invitation only and it's very difficult. The security is far too high. Thank you. And so we just have to play it by ear. Apparently just stand outside and put a board up to say invitation please, then it is possible, but it's a long haul. You'd be up all night trying to get a ticket. I'm going to go back over to the New York, I reckon, because I like that place. Have something nice to eat, a nice drink, relax, and just enjoy the sun going down, because the sun's still out till about 8 o'clock here. It's really amazing. So now I have to fight through that traffic to get a nice meal, but the good thing is I don't even have to have a reservation, which is good. How many days have I got left? I have got only in the 6th day. So I've got another week. I'm sure after a week I'll have managed to do something, or even meet some actors and some film directors, which would be good. Filmmakers, that's really what I want to do, is to meet them, because I'm so fascinated about film and how they are made.